Hello everyone, Evan Day, Young Adult Librarian with another DITry, and this week I'm going to try to make a duct tape leaf. Now there are several versions of duct tape leaves you can find online at places like duckbrand.com. This is kind of my own spin on them. I'm basically making a duct tape fabric by laying out several strips of duct tape. Then I'm going to take some floral stem wire to sort of make the skeleton of sorts with my leaf. Lay out several stems to create sort of the outline. Now when I cut off the floral stem wire pieces to create the outline, the stems for my leaf, I make the one long solid stem and 4 branches of sorts, 2 longer, 2 slightly shorter to sort of give out a good natural leaf shape. You could probably create a design, find a leaf online, maybe cut something out according to a leaf that you found in your backyard, but I just drew my own leaf design here and then cut it out with some scissors. Anyway, once I've done, I've got a nice little flexible leaf that you can bend, and it has this sort of natural leaf look, more or less. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that. Maybe try it out on your own, see if you could make something even better. See you next week.